that I.J. Mark Christie promise you na hindi na ako mandidiri sa amoy ng palengke. Hindi na ako matatakot pag mag-turn off ng ilaw sa sala sabay harurot ng takbo. Na mag-aaral na magluto ng sinabawan para hindi hardog at itlog araw-araw. Kidding aside, I.J. Mark Christie pledge to love you every day. A love that is sincere, pure, and a love that is better than yesterday's. A love that always chooses you, and a love that endures through good times and bad. And lastly but not the least, pinapangako ko mamahalin ka hanggang sa aking huling hininga. I love you, Arvin.
Okay, so we will be having right now our wedding program, and I will just give you a brief overview of what's going to happen tonight. So we will be having the traditions, the wedding traditions, but of course we will be starting with the acknowledgement of the bridal entourage, the ninongs and ninangs, the parents, the three brides and groom, and then the grand entrance of our newlyweds. Okay, now we will be having the cake later on. We will be having the wine, of course, a message from our best man and our maid of honor, and also we will be having the money dance for the last strings later on. So for the meantime, how about we proceed first with the acknowledgements of our ninongs and ninangs. Now, ninongs and ninangs, I told you na kayo po ay katayo, right? Kakaway lang po sa sayaw. Pero lang po simple. Now, iniba ko na po ang parents. Dinamay ko na po ang parents doon because parang gusto nila naman sayaw eh. Ipigilan ba natin yan kung gusto ng parents na sayaw? Siyempre, hindi. Right? Okay, so this night is a special one because